Mobango jwa nkatha cietu ureterine Yetu Sacco. Yetu Sacco ni ezanaga utungata kiria biashara gukurukira gukiria biashara uguraniri bwa miunda na ngari na kinya uthurania bwa mbesha nja gwaku na kiri biashara. Yetu Sacco, your success, our pride.
Iba ngani ntuba kwithira gwatanite na ni Mobango ni jwa nkatha cietu aratutana mbere kuja turiongere kurunkatha na kwaranire na bonde ne matura yetu gutigira ati ni tukurete na no kamenya nkuruki ngugi mwanya ira ugo mwe kurunkatha withirite ukithithia na ira tutana mbere kuja twithithia maturene na ntukana ro Mobango ni jwa nkatha cietu turetete mwe kurunkatha wa mwanya muno yo ntwethirite ari gukundigurune na coka eta ndigurune ya Canada kuruki miaka 20 ethirite akirita ngugi ku na kinya gukundigurune ya Kenya no ethirite agitana mbere kwithira kiritangugi na tonge ni Ann Makena kumaja gikumene. Karibu sana Ntagu.
Ntagu. Kwira wita Ngonyi.
Ngonyi.
Wita Ngonyi. Wita Ngonyi. So actually I was born and raised here. Right across the road near my father valley. Buko kuona mwirika jojo maruni au iju mwirika jojo my father pena nyomba yao au ndene au ira bakitu bakirite. Na de initially ndaumire Kenya actually tika tugenya kuma. Onda berere school Ngonyi primary school. It's just a few minutes kuma 2 minutes. Ndathithia mwaka standard 7 ndakuruka bwa kandeta Muthambi Girls.
Muno gwana nde kira 7 netene.
Netene. Nira chatene kwa nira chatene. No to batu we are in our late 50s so ikira 7 so anyway twathiria Ngonyi ira cia mbere twacoka ndeta Muthambi Girls High School. I did that. I got out with a division 1, went to Nairobi Kenyatta Hospital for training as a nurse. I trained as a nurse in Nairobi Kenyatta Hospital. So kumau I worked in a company called Magandi Soda Company.
Era thitha ya chumbe.
Era thitha ya chumbe kwa ethero ena menyeri ni antu bakuma US achonge bo menyerete au na bakamenyera Masai jajo ndeje na au. So I worked there for a few years and then ndacoka ndona opportunity kwa wita Canada. How I got the opportunity.
Nande imbio thitha ya au Magandi uri.
Magandi was a nurse by na hospital nene.
Oh, by na hospital.
By na hospital is actually the Magandi Hospital. You can kind of gauge it with Nairobi Hospital. Ikras keu 1999 iro ndetire Canada.
1999. Lewo umumate Magandi hospital kenda wita
Magandi ndari na 2 friends of mine vetera Australia. They were both of them were nurses. Na nda wakiambite ambite Canada nonto I knew some doctors. They were going to do masters in public health. Canada. Na riba vampere njira ule mtu agitagitaga atia uretetaga na nade fortunately indare anguge njege kumba kugitatia
we mwale kana no ugurirwe
de mwale
we kamwale bando
de kamwale bando
na no ndire kugita we mwale riu na ndino itire kana
oni ntare nyamantu ja marriage or anything when I was here. I was always seeking opportunities and trying to go up. I was not interested in marriage. I was interested in just building myself out, building my career. Career. Na actually most of my friends they got married back in the day before I left. Ndabarunga mirire mirano ndabarunga mira. But for me
na tegwe nande
otomboli ne ateka where people criticize but I wanted ndari na achievement yekwera nendaga nonto ndio kuruka form 4 ndare I was an A student. I had an A minus. Na mzee atombiro mbikia ndete Ken Girls tembu Ken Girls form 5 mzee atombiro mbikia nonto nare my brother ramukuruke ni nare umukia form 5 inawe nonto ana betu ibavome na de
ko na ndeti ko le ombere njeni.
No, I'm the second born. We are 9 of us. I'm the second born. We are 4 girls and 5 boys. When I had in a bunch of teachers, nurses and everything. Yeah, mukuru te mwana te domideti. Mukuru domideti anaponde. Na de my thing was I was dreaming every day and I was only at university. That was a big bother because I always wanted to go to the university. I was a student. I had an A minus. na ndende gwita. Anyway, let's go back to 1999. 1999, so I left and went to Canada. I went as a visitor.
They invite
the doctors. The doctors invited me and they showed me how to get into the program of nursing. Kana geta kuthithia kigeri yake. Ndegwita ndathithia kigerio because the culture is totally different. I did not make it the first trial. So
they were mugeni banda.
The mugeni. I'm on a visitor visa. Ndara ku make.
Emeri eveto kana jukiti.
Nda jukiti 6 months. Ndara ku make. So I had to come back here and get a student visa. So I came back to Kenya. Fortunately, they gave me a student visa very quickly. So I went back. I had an invitation already to a college. I went to college, studied for 1 year. Kena kathithia kendoka bridge because it's a different culture. The nursing is so different. The knowledge is about the same, but there's a whole bunch of things na ndiko I sat for the exam and I passed and I was given a job right away. Ndiko one job right away within a year like this. That's when I met my husband. But I met him when I was already a nurse. I was already practicing. Yeah. Kumarau, I got married and then we had our firstborn son who is now 22 years. So when he was Idagoriro Mukananda Imochonko.
In short,
yes. Dagoriro in short Imochonko, but we dated for like a full year. Nada chokata mu introduce ida mureta kinyana hao kinyamwana wetu shira itwejere hao kana ge kanini kena little more than a year. Tweja hao tuamiti ashiri na ina, so we did everything like that. Twachoka kuma I went back to the university.
Nande miaka eku yonde utwire almost utoro bwaku nusu bura bwingi Canada.
Utoro bwako bura bwingi Canada actually no to date 1999. I was a very young person then. Yeah. Very young person by that time. So so we got our son and then after a few years I went back to school because I wanted my degree then. Because that degree then was stuck in my head. Though I had my nursing from here, I just wanted to make it a Bachelor of Nursing in Science. So I went and got that. It took about 3 years, but I was still working as an RN, as a registered nurse. So I'm working, and then part of the time I ogeta kudoma. Ngita ngoge ngeta kudoma, dinanja ingwita ngoge dina mwana omuni.
Tuchoke agora mbere bitakaire kudoma. Wetire nandi kendo oguru imuchunku wikarika mwari nandi no oguru imuchunku nwe muchore okuo mbere maisha jaku nandi kugura nare ori imuchunku jakariete kana werereria antu bangi bakari otago
are otinya antu datima we actually I was very focused. It was just my nursing onto tijete nasi yo mwero Canada na ndio tena nyakanya gotimana na antu na kuthiru ko cho antu ngoge ngoge kendo kamenya ni ora ngoge je njeru kuthoma na ngoge je kendo kamenyeria no nto it's a different ball game tio antu bakugo geta uitonyire gwite ngoge no it's a different ball game na ndi ngoge ngachokanja ngoge ngachokanja goge na nandi tukwenda maisha itukwenda kugura nyomba itukwenda kuthithia atia no kumenya nandi no tutigwatanire so it was busy busy
mugora na uino kwao kana kwao na wina
ojo asiari ojo asiari bawe ngina actually no tuthithiri nyamurano jo wetu ngina na ithe no are very supportive ithe tugugura nyomba yetu embere mukuru gwa tugurire riko ria gwa Kenya mara kuruga tugurira machine ye kugita nyaki ome house warming urana ana batithere house warming weekend chionde mukuru weje umara gweta kuthithia thithia tumantu ome gweta no na mukuru lakini agweta kuthithia shopping twaleta ero irio ngari ugindo tiatu tena irio lakini konere na tena kuthithia ri tiakurire ana bawe
yes.
Oh my God, we miss him so much. He was such a good na kuire lakini nginare o
ko kwao no na
kwawe nawe na waciariri ithe no kuma bambiritie maisha jao ithe ambiritie Germany ngina no ambirie Ukraine lakini baciariri na ubonde baciariri na ubonde
kumera una nino gorirwe wena twana twaku twiri
ndina gorirwe ndina twana twakwa twiri
no ukuthoma
inkuthoma
no gutwa ndigiri ira wagire Kenya
ndigiri ira ndagire Kenya na nyomba ira ndari mara kugura Kenya na ngari ira ntarambitithie Kenya I had trained as a driver here lakini ukaona ngari ukomba kugura atia kinyo gita ngoge magadi sondo tungumba kuigurira nyomba
ngari no kombora nyomba
it was still so difficult ninya tha mushara yo mwega lakini tuomba kuithithiria anyway ndegweta na ndona kugia kwa so I had to buy all these things kugura ngari kwa mbere inya mwana kwa mbere atashiarwa nyomba twagura within mwana uciara atakinyenya miaka iri tukugura nyomba yetu twachoka kithomo na kio ndambirie gwitithia yes now the life is just uketha maitho yaku ja ruguki no kemenya ro kwenda ri utigu tiomba kuthithia
na makena igitenere antu babengi ibachuragia meatwije mtu marire ta Canada kuringana na uria twanya twangugi tutumirwo tona sisto twingi twithugani cibitari ciujurie au wetana baru eku ya Kenya witonya ngugine urio witonya urio
unga ke gukuruka kigerio ukejo kuruka kigerio no tunya kwe babe ya kinya dauni nta kurukira ria mbere data training kuri antu bakuruka kwe baba leo bakuruka straight away
niwe kuitana 1999
by the time I was doing the exams no tukena kwina process nyingi 2021 kwina process utitao karanthi guru kinyo kinya my sister kuruendete nao
kinya wenas
my sister kuruendete nao na nyawete akurukirio unda muretete ja kumenyera mwana kwanza living caregiver ni mwana okwa na ndi munini eja akara for 2 years Consider 2 years where living caregiver they give you straight away papers there's no question about it straight away papers means you are kind as like a permanent resident and then citizen so you have all opportunities orokenda kuthithia wenda maruni orokenda kuthithia
na teomba kwira aciari no ntuimbije bara baingi botega iborigara bakauga kinya ndenda gwita Canada ndenda gwita Australia ndenda gwita Germany imbi mtu abatere kwithia kithigi especially ana babetu bathire form 4 no mwanka mtu ete university eje no mwanka mtu ete KMTC imbi mtu abatere kuthithia
na ndi uria mtu abwiri kuthithia ketha ne ana baba kwenda gwita rongo na ana baba kwenda ku advance career yao na bakumenya nu jantu bethara bakenda kumenya nthiguru ingi uria ituraga jaura undenda kumenya kule antu batenga na erwa ni ugukaranga you meet somebody you get married blah 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 kule antu bakwenda go explore na de mtu akaethwa era ini tuge medical tuge tukauga raini ne medical kwa nursing kinyogeta KMTC it would be actually far much better to start here ukethwa wina degree ekwa kandi diploma eku ukija na aria ikwa certified yake na inya kwenda kuendelea gwitithia kithomo kwa gitate wagitithia because education there is very expensive je kuthithia nazi na uma mamilioni njete kueleweka lakini uthithie nazi ni ekwa ugeta kuthithia kikigerio kwita kuthithia because you just need somebody to invite you as a visitor ugachoka uga mtu wa connect na college akamenya college iri kugeta kuthithiria kigerio weta ukamba kuthithia kigerio kuthithia kigerio leo guruka ugathithia atia baga kwa opportunities urobwiri kwita atia kwa advance bakwira ita college ejete bakwa iba bakoeja kanyomera iba bakoeja directions
na leo nande igitari urondo kalite Canada nkurukia miaka 20 ni wathuganire kairi uchoka Meru na nkuruki Kenya
actually
eno ntibugurire nyomba bwe satisfied na ro gurirwe nebunganirire na tuthuganire kairi kuja ku university Kenya
na ndi batura tuli oni menya oni ciariri ngonyi aja ndategere ku gwetu ndatega ndoria oni nuti angipenda kujukia kugura nyomba kana kugura miunda kana gwaka
na kwena bara wize
ndienda gwita nja ara mpumite ntikwenda kuigura kirindi kia Meru gia Kenya kiaraie kauga anga uchokera gicaki gwita gwaka nyomba gicaki anga na eto aria gukiria gicaki kigetu no wagiukiria na ina basi tumite so that did not make sense to me so nde Canada actually to mundeje imiunda ne area aja ujo murajo munena kumeguru mwanka kwena manthiguru china taito ijire na imse on the connection ya nchwira anchwira ndauga no tudedere gwaka aria bari ndauga ngaka across kumara burenda na gukira rukiri ntubuka ira rukiri geto bakethia ngona ura barere ugoro geta ngona barere nande twagurira actually twakire from zero twara contractor wetu twakire nje kuma zero from zero it costed quite a bit of money, but it's worth it. Tujana tukaigwa tunganiri kabisa. Na mukuru wakwa nganirite na twina nyanja yetu Canada tugurite nyumba yetu Canada.
Ndi bujaro tharu mwene.
Na na jaba kwenda kwa bakara na bakia jaja wele tulija every 6 months, every 5 months. Tukuila tulea.
Ono ntubwa mpio nale.
Tubwa mpio ikwenda nande tuguita ngoge. Oni retire.
Endo na retire.
Actually retired to retirement nale 65. He's only 61. Kinya wa retire then uria some things happened either in a long term disability. Either on disability where but bakulega mpesa jiro lale yako musharene almost. Itigeria mpesa inkai.
Naunda na rongia ndaka.
Retired then no he's just in that class still. Yeah. Lakini no kagire thina ciari cianjara no tukugewere computer na mantu amaingi.
Na riu niro wathuganirie na ndi guje bono ukaena nja na ndi project withirite okithithia cianguku na project nyingi cia kurima into bibio ndo monitor ate wachoka kana nda nuntu na ndi kana ndi gochokete
na ajari bati tukaira rukire kana nyo tuko tutireta kumama kuringa na cia Kenya ri twina cameras cietu na muntu agikira nguku iri tukuona haragu ikira nkara ikio jo
tukona
wete gogateka utakanja kuma iguru mwanka na aria ukona jonde utigu tukuona utigu tukuona mseja kuriunga no kumwona na jire kuriunga
muringira thima mwira ndandingo
kuona utigu tutiona kinyata kana atia nguku cia thwaga ikuringe tuma tukaona na no utigu tutemenyaga na bandu twina kinya extra bedroom ekwithira nyate nyomba ndene ri aria mtu ogukara na twina onge ukara na nguku naenda ugira opportunities ucio ndere go create job opportunities na myako wewe onde menya yakini antu bangoni
antoro
antoreje dauga antu ba area je ba nenkirongoke urokenda kwita kete ate aite na kinyami ndo twene ona atwene obonde ni antu bangoni ukanenkanira kiro komba kunenkanira yes
na tawira antu bangi nuntu bengi tukumara tumara twachoka tukorirwe twiyanja mimbiri kwina muranu ina mantu ja tebu iro
wana antu bakeja oni ndigari mantu ja muno actually ndina chore baba inge like I have friends in Australia, I have friends in US antu baba inge bantu kichietu jama mu nyaba kumanyire na nana batenda inya kwa nyomba nja ciao bauga anje ikaiwa anga antu bakauna baraga tonya anga gukakara gwakara uti muntu tonya anje muntu uketho tinera ndure muntu na no kareni na antu benu bwega na no gutethia antu benu no ti muntu ugitabonge wina nkoro kwitherwa clean no kejo kunira nyomba ibijete kugwita it's actually very strange no timbune na antu baba ngiba kuga ntiakanja ntiaka kwetunja yanga mama kauga nga waka nyombene na ndio itire kwa kanyombene ne guntu kwina tunyomba tungi tukaliungi no that's not a problem iba kumenya wogo no tonyete mantu ne amaingi witonyithia ngugine tia kurinto bijete byarikirwa kigwe kinyetha mtu nakwira na guri muchonko uni nguge bitanguge igwita nguge bitanguge na mukoro kwa na agaita nguge ciawe lakini chonde imanto ja gwita nguge ciako na njara ciako utekuia utembi kanabi it's all straight from my hands yeah
ne gitarera baguranire nuntu nandi kugweta nyo aciari baku baugire ate na Kenya na aciari bara bangiri nandi bwathithaia
mirano tari nyathi na kinyate kanate mirano baba tutabaretere na nontu twigurana riu tutarinya tuku I was just a beginner nurse na mukuru ko na ina ya kwambiria kari ewe so tutari na mbeca nyingi cha kugita atia cha kuthithia mirano eminene kugita atia kureta antu anga kuma na twathithire murano jwetu au mathaini ro atuthithiria pati nene aciari betu tutombiro bareta mathainya ate kumba nyokuruka nya elevitene tiga ndegene guru akuruka elevitene akagwata ne anxiety re ombo mukoka karo mugwete kwa ndegene atomba nya gwitia na de anyway mzee no endete kuija lakini na bobe dobe na mantu jaba ingi bakwenda gitate bathithiria ndabakira nyomba iba kwenda machine cia kugitangira ng'ombe iria iba kwenda
matangi ya roje ina hande umenya nago no kwambiria maisha yanyu
ndina mantu maingi na kubithondekera nyamiunda ono tumze munda jo inyage yake na bi kubandira ithara je kugura ng'ombe thai cia grade ruje na he mukuru ndambirio monia kinya uri no gitete atia no nganiri na mzee ugari ambirire nyankeja ni peja kiumya kimwaki ndamwira ninte kurira ngarama kwija kiumya kimwe batu atugeja okuriongera menyera into biaku biro gitete atia biro tura kumenyera kawa kawe ng'ombe cia grade to mugura cia ria na ro so everything was just very well set balanced no tuli mwore tha inya ya port ukethira antu bakuma Africa na antu betete atumikwaju mtu atakombenya kuma ndegene ukuthi tata kankoria na ndere jamse ambirire atire ambirire ni mamire community kwa yetu twire twaka kanisa cietu twaka anja cietu twathithia mantu jetu jonde no tukwenda kurira tutikwenda ungi turenda kunganirwa au tunganirwe na tumenye ni onja yetu tumendevelop kariu. So I think I was lucky to have those kind of parents that were push all the time. Ngaitu ije na ngaitu rale na ngaitu kale tukale. No. No.
Na ngugi na ndio ambiri tena jo Kenya. Mtu ena mindo ithirito kirima. No ithirito gikathinto no kendia. Na ndi kwambiri project inge nguko. Ntije ina wikento bia. Waketha. Na nguko ijire. Ti ugwa chokacho na kana watutigirana. Ari actually mbeco ticio itigarai nyingi muno cio cokacio no ntunguko iji no kuona nguko iji na ende ndambiriria ngiri na eno kuona iba gwaka kae turenda kuthithia ciethwa cie 3000 na inchoketie ndarithia cia nyama nkara 29 that trays a day itengana inya kungana aba igikutharanwa ukutharanwa no ntendia ndia usiro ntekwendia ri ntenda ya mbeca nyingi mbendaria usiro ukenda bageta bakendia bakagitate muntu acionera kira acionera kio nandi kwiba kwijira inya crate je negana kwena my brother no menyerete ngugiji na kwina muntu ungi uroraragia arafu my parents na pontu kwira my bena mantu jao no tumate na dementia mzenwe ena thine we murimo juu ena juu na ena poimba andikirite antu bangi bairi bangugi no wona kwina school mukumba kinyo bategera ni uragwa muntu ale mama no ndira we daktari kwethira tritaci ariba
ari batritaga honestly janya ndinga thimo ndaigura kuri 1 2 3 nkabero mantu ya kwiri kuthithia na nyama brother on ndinga tete inasi no na clinic timao inje madaktari na mwana wano clinic officer so we kaida collaborate to collaborate
utigira ati boka na bwega
ukora ati boka na bwega ukabandikira bio bandikira ukamenya mantu jonde jari iguru you know mantu ya jau na igwe tukombo bamenyera bwega ati akwembeza ikwetha citigara kinya cia nkara iji tutigara gintu lakini ore antu bau
kumenyera ne bwo Kenya
ore antu bau bonthe no tumbece tukwita utucona mukone kari gwita no bado no kwetha isasa yeah
igitarira wetire kanana wagita mwana okuo mbere ndi mwana okuo bairi kana gakwajua indengani uri
na ure joka antu bakenya antu betha bemenya na bairi batatu lakini ntikwira kwe muntu mpumba kuga impetete kiwe kwita kuria ikana actually life there is very different na ri ugo na mukuru oku na ukwithara ugo na mukuru oku ukeja kwithotera mukuru mwega kana ukeja kwithirwa family ria umete family njaka yomba inyo gutegerera mwana ntuku kinya baba ina uba Kenya ri natoketo boria na muntu eroka kumara rukire tete ngugenda gwichura bya kuria yes it's very hard you have actually to have like no monka witho na support system winjaka
ntuko mono kona mimbi bochokete na aja nuntu climate na tu mwana mpione na ora bukara
to actually tugachoka tutichoka kabisa lakini tukethwa tuithia 50-50 hiyo ndio plan yetu twakara na nusu tugeta na nusu
mpione bokeja na
yeah mpione tukeja na kwagia mwangi twachoka na
nguge ku kawe wandi kwithirikari kana uchiandikite na
bande kithirikari for 18 years. After 18 years, ironda thuganire kwa travel nurse. Travel nurse rimwe kwä rimwe mbita kinya out of province. So you have to kind of fly out. So I fly in and out, fly in and out, fly in and out.
We wina ndi contract kungi.
Contracts nkajukia contract province ingi. Utije Canada ni nene mono. Province ingi kungi ja kuma mwanka mbuga kwita ja Uganda. So you just kind of get kathiria mweri nkachokanja. Kathiria mweri nkajukia ntuku inkai ngachokanja. Owara ngoge nkona ne kubwirira.
No kanganira.
Yeah. Nkanganira lakini titango gigita ronde bitoria nda mbako gitatiri. Jana we are here for 6 weeks. Tiako ngugina tuli we are just kind of enjoying our.
Yeah. You are still in Kenya. Na tawira baraba tutagerete ntuko naru ne kuru. Na nkuru kike kenoge akuge kinene kumarira wetire na ukananda nimbi tumito wethira ujuritwe ni gikeno that no kurugani kinyochoka Kenya no kanganira no gakana no gachoka kani ndiguru ne wingi.
Ute ange gukorana jara muntu umite. I can say that very proudly. Na narija kira kinkenaje muno imukuru ko no nanganirire naja endete ati enda kuma na nyanka mutiga na kanganira na ino rantigwa kinganiri ko mutige weka ai twanganiri ko muno endete Kenya. Actually the first time when I met him utebunge bwari bunene ja kumenya ura ije manto Africa nkurukie uni utebu ataije bwa Africa msima yonde na inya Kenya na ino thithe research nyange ukira no tuga tiyora kurera Kenya no kwiro kero matu jothe so yeah utege ngege kinene actually ja kumenya nwendete ara umite it's a little big blessing na kumenya kinya kethia na baba enu na family ingi ile ikugita bunge uria umbo uteria ja mito bila to handite na kinya tukija ku to handa kinya sukuma ka spinach kana to anda miunda na to ali mambe chiche miunda ruje no tutu na ruje na bonde bena ruje to ruje gukura kino to handa kinya ikana na yo no kwana nto iba kugita ate iba kono kwanda no kwanda rukwachie no kwanda sukuma no kwanda thoroko wena marigo wena into bionde na ino kone ba kugita ate it's a very good set iko set example
kemangi
example
we
ukabokeria kinya mathogani jo ujonka kuona uwake jaru kwashiro ambela ndi kwenja ciari anga inkuninga naja no tekyo ndi nyaki mweni ciari anga inkuninga na uroke jonke thia linka mwikira nkamwira bimite goro au
na tiwa wakali amunda yejo makana jo kali
ujumite goro au na inya nda imbolo je kuma ngukune uni bera bonde uroke nda mbolo agite ata ejire jukie ni mbolo nkuru nto ita munde no msena ale ngauga jukie ni mbolo uroke nda kujuke mbolo andi baba inji bakujuke mbolo paka mbili
ngata wakanda sikuma ciona mpuka
exactly kinya wenda kugera kawe na kama ligonere jukie mbolo it's free.
Thank you so much iko tuonera kanya ntukwenaru no getikiria withira ukiamwe kurunkathana ntumwangu gira witete nkuruke miaka 20
yes
uri ome no choka wejo tethia nturene
ndejo ndachoka nturene atigati
bangi nabo bagakinye kinyara makana beta bachoka kairi
nande actually uno kwenda ithirwe example inene anto betho beno ogua umenyara umete ni ogokiria ore akwija ogokiria ri
utungi weteri
na eno mwanka wija okirie okiria ra umite yes
thank you so much
no ntunari wakire nyomba jeje anto barije nya baba kugura nyomba iriyeje bakona oh that's my neighbor oh this is my neighbor
thank you
na eva tere nyomere
oguri kinyewe okire
exactly yeah
thank you
oh
emwega sana no choke bwega
ibwega ito
thank you
I'm so happy to have met you.
Thank you. Iwega kinyita imwe.
Yeah, iwega itu.
Na yone atakinyira mutheja mubango jo nkatha cietu ntukamutheja na arua wirigiro bwako na witikio bwako ne atigite nere weta nambere kwithira itigira no gutigira mwana ageta nambere kwithira kithithie kiria kwenda ntukethera makena muciari o atetikiriria thithie kiria kwenda tukwena arua makena tithira example kiri bangi baba ingi nethira gitethire baba ingi gwita nambere kwithira magiukira anokiugo na chokete nturene kugeria kwithira giukiria itura riria ciari ngakwenda utukupo bwega nini waku makena matiri
Bango jwa nkatha cietu ukureterine yetu sako turi na agents betu barabari guntu mwanya wenda kumenya nkurukiri ngathimo namba 0724 114 444 yetu sako your success our pride.